Topic: Types of computers. Computers come in various forms, each designed to meet specific needs and use cases. Here is an overview of the primary types of computers. 1. Desktop computers. A desktop computer is a personal computer designed for regular use at a single location. It typically consists of a separate monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a central processing unit, CPU, housed in a tower or small form factor case. Characteristics. Powerful performance, often more powerful than laptops and tablets, suitable for demanding tasks like gaming, graphic design, and software development. Expandability. Easy to upgrade with additional RAM, storage, and peripheral devices. Ergonomics. Designed for comfortable use with larger screens and full-sized keyboards. Cooling. Better cooling systems to manage heat generated by high-performance components. Common uses. Home and office work. Gaming and entertainment. Professional tasks requiring high computing power, e.g., video editing, 3D modeling. 2. Laptop computers. A laptop computer is a portable personal computer with a clamshell form factor, combining a screen, keyboard, and touchpad into a single device. Characteristics. Portability. Lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and use on the go. Built-in battery. Allows for use without being plugged into a power source for a certain period. Integrated components. All components, including the screen and input devices, are integrated into one unit. Variety of sizes. Available in various sizes, from ultra-portable notebooks to larger, more powerful models. Common uses. Business and academic work. Travel and remote work. Multimedia consumption. Tablet computers. A tablet computer is a portable device with a touchscreen interface, larger than a smartphone but typically smaller than a laptop. Tablets can operate independently or with optional accessories like keyboards and styluses. Characteristics. Touchscreen interface. Primary input method is via touch, though some support stylus input. Portability. Highly portable due to their thin and lightweight design. Battery life. Generally long battery life due to energy-efficient components. App ecosystem. Runs mobile operating systems, e.g., iOS, Android, with access to a wide range of apps. Common uses. Media consumption, e.g., reading, watching videos. Internet browsing and social media. Education and note-taking. Light productivity tasks. 4. Smartphones. A smartphone is a handheld personal computer that combines mobile phone capabilities with advanced features such as internet connectivity, touchscreens, and access to a wide range of applications. Characteristics. Highly portable, small enough to fit in a pocket, making it the most portable type of computer. Touchscreen interface. Primary input method is touch, with some models supporting voice input and stylus. Connectivity. Always connected to cellular networks, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. App ecosystem. Runs mobile operating systems, e.g., iOS, Android, with a vast selection of apps for various functions. Common uses. Communication, calls, texts, social media. Internet browsing and email. Photography and video recording. Navigation, GPS. Mobile apps for various tasks, e.g., banking, shopping, fitness. Summary of key differences.